In 2010, a man bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. At the time, Bitcoin was practically worthless. An experiment in digital money created by an anonymous figure named Satoshi Nakamoto, believed in by only a few. What he didn't know then was that those 10,000 Bitcoins would be worth over $1 billion by 2025. Since its release in 2010, Bitcoin has only had 3 years of negative returns. Every other year, it has performed beyond expectations. But what makes Bitcoin such a resilient investment? And why do so many believe it's the opportunity of a lifetime? Let's find out. In the beginning, no one believed in Bitcoin. Most people thought it was just a passing trend, something a few people played with for fun, but year after year it proved everyone wrong. In 2013, Bitcoin had its first breakout moment. Its value skyrocketed by 5,481%, creating instant millionaires. The media called it a bubble, but Bitcoin didn't pop. It kept growing. Even in the last few years, its performance has been remarkable. 303% growth in 2020, followed by 155% in 2023. Out of the 15 years since Bitcoin's release, it has delivered positive returns in 12 of them. Think about that. How many investments can claim a track record like this? Bitcoin isn't like traditional currencies, it's limited. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. That limit makes it incredibly valuable, especially in a world where central banks print trillions of dollars out of thin air. But it's not just about being limited. Bitcoin is global. It doesn't belong to any one country, and anyone, anywhere can use it. From small investors to massive institutions, Bitcoin has become a hedge against uncertainty. A modern version of gold, but digital, decentralized, and infinitely more accessible. And that's why, even when the world seems unstable, Bitcoin thrives. Of course, Bitcoin isn't perfect. It's had its fair share of bad years, 3 to be exact. In 2014, a massive exchange hack sent Bitcoin tumbling by 57%. In 2018, after a meteoric rise, the market corrected itself, and Bitcoin fell by 73%. And in 2022, a combination of global economic uncertainty and high-profile crypto collapses caused a 64% drop. But here's the thing, Bitcoin always bounces back. After each crash, it didn't just recover, it surged to new heights. For those who held on, the rewards far outweighed the risks. Bitcoin isn't about avoiding volatility, it's about understanding its long-term potential. Today, Bitcoin is stronger than ever. Governments, banks, and businesses are adopting it faster than anyone expected. Countries like El Salvador have made it legal tender, and massive corporations are using it as a reserve asset. And then there's the Bitcoin split. Every 4 years, the number of new Bitcoins entering circulation is cut in half, making it harder to get and driving demand higher. Historically, these splits have been followed by massive bull runs, and the next one is just around the corner. Bitcoin isn't just surviving, it's thriving. And for those willing to look beyond the short-term noise, it represents one of the most exciting opportunities in modern history. So what does this mean for you? Since its creation, Bitcoin has proven itself time and time again. It's turned skeptics into believers, small investments into fortunes, and a digital experiment into a global phenomenon. The question isn't whether Bitcoin is a good investment. It's whether you'll be part of its story before it's too late.